Hello. The countertop dishwasher you're referring to sounds like a versatile and convenient appliance. Here are the key features of this product. Small size with large capacity. This mini dishwasher has a compact design but offers a large capacity. It can hold 4 bowls of rice, 7 plates, 3 large cups, 2 milk bottles, and 12 pieces of tableware and forks. With a height of only 18.03 inches, 17.9 inches without the tank lid, it should fit under most kitchen cabinets. Water leakage prevention. The dishwasher is designed with double spray arms on the upper and lower sides. These arms provide high temperature and high pressure water spray, ensuring effective cleaning and preventing stains from hiding. The reasonable design also helps solve the problem of water leakage. Multi-purpose use. In addition to washing dishes, this dishwasher can also be used to clean fruits and vegetables, making it a versatile appliance for your kitchen. Multiple program options. The dishwasher offers 5 washing programs that can be easily selected using the touchscreen switch. This allows for simple and convenient operation, and the small dishwasher can meet different selection requirements depending on your needs. 3-in-1 function. Equipped with a hot air drying mode, this portable countertop dishwasher serves as a dishwasher, dryer, and cabinet. It ensures that your tableware is not only clean, but also dry and odor-free, ready to be used again. To purchase the product and find more detailed information, you can click on the link provided below the video.